I'm Jala, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson I am gonna speak about singular and plural verbs. What are the differences? So let's get started. We use is, has, does, doesn't, speaks for present tenses, but we use was for past tenses. Are, have, don't, speak, were. These are plural verbs. Anne is a student. Here we use is because Anne is in the singular. Anne and Sam are students. Here we use are as the subjects are plural. My dad has a car. My dad and mom have cars. We use has because we are speaking about a person. My dad has. But we use have because the subject are plural. We are speaking about two persons, my dad and my mom. This boy doesn't speak English. He's Japanese. We use a doesn't because we are speaking about a person. These boys don't speak English because they are Japanese. We use don't as the subject is plural. We are speaking about many persons. My teacher speaks Japanese. Here we use speaks as the teacher is in the singular. We add s when we are speaking about a person, about one thing. We add s to the end of the verb. But when we say, my teachers speak Japanese, we use a plural verb. My friend was sad. Here, my friend is one person, so we use a singular verb was. My friends were sad. Here, my friends are plural, so we use a plural verb were. So I hope you can remember all the rules and practice them. Use them correctly. I hope to see you again. See you next time.